This is the Skittles variety pack. You get 4 different flavors in here. And this stuff, to me, it's my favorite. I tried different stuff, but I love the Skittles. It's got 0 sugar in it, according to the box. And as far as calories and carbs go, you get 4 flavors in here: strawberry, green apple, orange, and grape. I absolutely love this green apple. I wish I could get a whole box of green apple, but as far as carbs go, we got 5 calories in the strawberry and green apple. We got 10 calories in the orange, he's the bad guy. And we got 5 calories in the grape. As far as carbs go, 2 calories in both of these, 2 calories, 1 calorie in the grape. So how about that? So when I think about flavor, I'm always comparing it to how it tastes to me in a 1 liter bottle of water. Every single one of these has a good, strong flavor. It's not overpowering. You just tear the top off and dump it in. It's definitely not a weak taste. I think it just tastes fantastic. It's low calorie. When I do keto, this is what I drink if I like to get a little, like, cheaty flavor thing going on. I think this stuff's awesome. 30 sticks, 4 different flavors. I love it.